Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great, and in today's video we are going to discuss Unit 10, Lesson 1, which is all about functions. The workbook here, first question, the membership cost at a fitness club is a joining fee of $20 plus $15 per week. So if you noticed over here, they are requesting from you what? They are requesting from you to show that the total cost for 4 weeks is 80. All right, not a problem. They said the membership has the cost of it is a joining fee of $20. This is the fixed amount over here. So I'm answering right now question 1A. They said $20 plus 15 per week. For 4 weeks, 15 times 6. They said 4 weeks, sorry. So it is times 4 equals then 20 plus 60, which is $80. That's how I showed that the total cost for 4 weeks is 80. Now, what about question B? 1B. Find the total cost for 10 weeks. For 10 weeks, no problem. I'm going to say 20 plus 15 times 10 is going to be 20 plus 150, which is going to give me $170. Question 1C. The thing to the total cost for W weeks is Y dollars. Okay, so Y equals, write a function for Y. Y equals, it is always 20, that's the joining fee, plus 15 per week. Okay, for how many, for what's the letter for weeks? They said W weeks, so 15 times the number of weeks. Question 2. At a gym, Aaron lifts 2 kilograms and 4 kilogram weights. Find the total mass of 2 kilograms. So this is here question 2. Here you go. Question 2A. The total of 2 kilograms and 3 4 kilograms. That's 8 plus 12 equals 20 kilograms. Question B. The thing to Aaron lifts X 2 kilograms. So it is 2X. And Y 4 kilograms plus 4Y. The thing to the total mass is 22. So it's 22. Here is the function that they are requesting. Question 3. Alicia is A years old and Barack is B years old. The total of their ages is 36 years old. So A plus B equals 36. The saying Alicia is 13. Work out Barack's. So A is 13 plus B equals 36. Solve the equation. So B equals 36 minus 13 is going to give you exactly 23. Next, question 3C. The saying to you, Barack, is 3 times Alicia's age. So Barack is 3 times Alicia's age, which is 3A. Write the function to show this. That's it. It's just only the B. You can write it lowercase because they said Barack is B lowercase, so it's just B, not capital B. Okay. Does it matter, mister? No, not necessarily, but sometimes they might mention in some questions small b for something and the uppercase B for another thing. Question 4. For a small taxi can take 4 passengers. A large can take 6 passengers. Work out the total number of passengers that 3 small taxis, so 3 times each small taxi can take 4 passengers, plus 3 two large taxis, so 2 times 4 equals, here is 12 plus 8. I'm sorry, the large taxis take 6, so this is a 6. Two large taxis, so 2 times 6, so 12 plus 12 equals 24. So they can take, the total number of passengers is 24. 3 small, 3 times 4 is 12. 2 large, 2 times 6 is 12 as well, so 24 total. All right, 4B. There are 7 small taxis. Work out the number of large taxis. Okay, first I need to write the function. Question B here says to you, S small taxis and L large taxis can take 40 passengers. S, the small taxis, it is actually 4. So I'm going to write 4S plus 6L equals 40. This is the function. That's 4B, I, they say to you there are 7 small. So 4 times 7 plus 6L equals 40. 28 plus 6L equals 40. So 6L equals 12. There are 2 large taxis. Next, question 5. Gareth and Tanya run a race. Tanya's time is 20 minutes less than twice Gareth's time. Gareth's time is 52 minutes. Work out Tanya's time. So, Tanya's time. Gareth's time, they said, is 52 minutes. So Tanya's time is what? 20 minutes less than twice. So I'm going to need to get twice Gary's time. So it is 2 multiplied by 52. That will give me twice Gary's time, but it's 20 less, so minus 20. That will give me Tanya's time. This is going to give you exactly 104. So 104 minus 20 is 84 minutes. Question 5B. This is 5A. 5B. Gary's time is G. Okay, so here, Tanya's time is T. Write a function for T in terms of G. Ali, write a function for what? For T. I will go there and write T equals. T equals what? To find the Tanya's time, what do you do? Tanya's time is 20 minutes less than twice Gary's. 2G minus 20. Here is the function. 5C, they say to you, Tanya's time is 52 minutes. Work out Gary's time. Okay, not a problem. I'm going to say Tanya's time, so I'm going to remove the T and write 52. Okay, what about Gary's time? Gary's time, I need to find it, so 2G minus 20. So 52, I'm going to get the minus 20 to the other side, plus 20. So 72 equals 2G. Then send the 2 to the other side, division is going to be 36 equals G. So Gary's time is 36 minutes in this case. 36 minutes. All right, next. Zara has some tiles. Each tile is a pentagon or a hexagon. Work out the total number of vertices on 5 pentagons and the 10 hexagons. This is 6A. The total number of vertices are calculated this way. I'm going to say it is, they said, 5 pentagons, so 5 multiplied by 5 vertices in each pentagon, plus 10 hexagons, So 6 vertices, or they said 10 hexagons. Six, you can say this way here. I had 5 pentagons. Each pentagon has 5 vertices. I can say they said 10 hexagons, so 10 hexagons. Each hexagon has 6 vertices. So it is 25 plus 60, which is 85 vertices. 6b. The total number of vertices is 100. Total is 100. There are p pentagons. So 5p. 5 vertices per pentagon. And h hexagons. So it is 6 vertices per hexagon. The total number of vertices was 100. 6c. Work out the largest possible number of hexagons. The largest possible number of hexagons? Okay. So to do that, what are we supposed to do? I'm supposed to use this function. If you noticed, if I say that there are 0 pentagons, so is there a number? That's if you say 0 pentagons. Let's see. 0 pentagons. So 0. Bye-bye. That's it. What's going to be left? 6h equals 100. Is this possible? 6 times something will give you 100? Oh, in other words, if you send the 6 to the other side, will it give you a proper number of hexagons? No, yeah, mister, it will give me a decimal. So it's impossible to have 0 pentagons. We must have pentagons. Okay, يبقى plus, if I have only one pentagon, only one, so 5 times 1, it's gonna be 5. Send the 5 to the other side minus, so 6h equals 95. Is it possible to say I have 6 hexagons with number of vertices بتوعهم 95? 6 times the number of hexagons. 6 times something, or you send the 6s to the other side division. مثلا it will be decimal definitely. It will be decimal. And أصلا multiples of 6 are even numbers. فdefinitely it will be what? It will be a decimal. Okay. So even having one pentagon will not work. But mister, let's go back to this. If I have 2 pentagons, 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 vertices. If I have 2 pentagons, I send the 10 to the other side minus 6h equals 90. If you send the 6 to the other side over here, it will give you a whole number. And what is that whole number? It is 15. So a number of hexagons is going to be 15 exactly. 15 hexagons. This is the maximum or the largest possible number of hexagons if you have 100 vertices. So 15 hexagons and 2 pentagons. They didn't request the number of pentagons, but this is anyway the largest number of hexagons you can have. 15 hexagons and the 2 pentagons. Let's continue. Here is a function. Question 7. The saying the function is y equals 20x plus 20 plus 10. Describe a situation this function could represent. Well, you can say about question 7 here, the total cost of hiring or renting, whatever you want to say, renting something, renting a ladder, hiring a person, hiring a plumber to come and fix something for you in the toilet, whatever you want to say. The total cost of renting whatever is fixed charge $10 plus $20 per hour. You can create your own scenario or whatever you want to change. طب question 8A يا مستر. Sorry, 7B. They're saying to you here is another function, but they're saying to describe a situation. Okay. So you can say here, the cost of a piece of candy, the cost of candy is 10 cents. For example, per piece. That's my situation. Even if you check the answer key, they're going to find it each learner's own answer. So you can create your own scenario. It doesn't have to be about the coast. It doesn't have to be about candy. It doesn't have to be about a ladder or whatever. But I'm just giving you an example of what they want. The cost of candy is 10 cents per piece. So that's 10C. All right. And the cost of, let's say, a doll or something, whatever, of a doll is 20 per, also a doll or toy or whatever, 20 cents. You can say Zara buys candy and dolls for 200 cents in all. So if you want to put this in a function, you're going to say 10 per candy, which is going to be the 10C. Each candy costs 10, plus each doll costs 20, so 20D, and she paid the total for all of them equals 200. This is what they want. This is the function. You can create it, all depends on your creativity. So, depends on your creativity. All right, question 8. Here are 5 functions. Which function is the odd one out? If you noticed x plus y equals 10, and x equals 10 minus y. Oh, what have we done? We sent the y to the other side with subtraction. So it becomes x equals 10 minus y. So this is the same as this. Same, same. All what I've done is just sending the y to the other side. Now here, this one, it is also the same. How, mister? I sent the 10 to the other side. Look at this. Here, this is the same. And look at this. Here, it is also the same. I got the 10 inside, x plus y, but instead of 10, it's going to be minus 10 equals 0. Oh, it is the same as well. Same. And this is the odd one out. We're going to leave it until the end. And this one, 2x plus 2y equals 20. Mister, I multiplied all of this by 2. All of this got multiplied by 2. To give me what? Look at that. To give you this one. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is 2y, 2 times 10 is 20. So it is also the same. All of them, all are equivalent. Except y equals 10 plus x. You will not find something that will lead you to y equals 10 plus x. They got the 10 to the other side with the x. It's supposed to be x minus 10. And you send the y to the other side, it's supposed to be negative y. So this one, no, it's the odd one out. It's not equal to this. This is the odd one out, and we explained why. All are equivalent except y equals 10 plus x. The last question that we have over here, in a game, you must collect red counters and blue counters. Red counters score 1 point. So red scores 1 point. Blue counters blue scores 4 points. Okay. Marcus has R red counters and B blue counters. Marcus has a total of 18 counters. Write a function to show this. Okay. Remember, I need you just to give your full attention to something. They said Marcus has a total of 18 counters. They're not talking about the points yet. So don't say, oh, Mr. Red, so it's 1 point per red, so 1 times R, اللي هي Mr. R, plus 4 points per blue, so it's gonna be a Mr. 4B. Yes, that would be perfect for points. But here they're not talking about the number of points. They're talking just about the number of what? Counters. They're telling you that red counters plus blue counters, they give you 18. They didn't mention anything about the points. Okay, here they're talking only about the number of counters. Red plus blue equals 18. All right, what about the question B? They're saying to you, Marcus counters scored 27 points. All right, okay, so 27 points. Now they're talking about the number of points. 27 points. So I have 1R. He said the red give you 1 point each. يبقى 1 times R اللي هي 1R plus the number of points per blue is 4 points per one. So 4 blue. R plus 4B equals 27. This is the other function. So this is A. This is question B. This saying to you, work out how many counters of each color Marcus has. If you notice, the way I wrote it will help you a lot. What does this remind you? Function A, that the total number of counters is 18. Function B, that the total number of points is 27. So, simultaneous equations. Check this. I got here R and R ready for elimination. I'm gonna subtract them, mister. R minus R, bye-bye. B minus 4B is negative 3B equals 18 minus 27 is negative 9. So B is negative 9 divided by negative 3 is 3. So number of blue counters is 3. طب Mr. What about the red counters? Take one of the two equations and substitute. R plus B equals 18. R plus 3 equals 18. Then R equals 15. So red counters are 15. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in another video.